What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Yeah, today we had a over the night, US announced China's trade deal in Geneva. Basically, Secretary of Treasury Scott Bessent told that I'm happy to report that we made substantial progress between the United States and China in the very important trade talks. First, I want to thank blah 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 you, our Swiss host, whatever. And then U.S. Trade Representative added that this was, as the secretary pointed out, very constructive 2 days. It's important to understand how quickly we were able to come to agreement, which reflects perhaps the differences were not so large as may be thought. So that's good. Still not official announcement how the deal will look like. That will come later today. Probably Trump will announce it. But yeah, speaking about the markets, I didn't film it, but I took an entry today in the morning. It was a break even. Basically, first MB, second MB pushed, placed my stop on a break even, and it stopped me out. Unfortunately, it was minus 1k because I got slipped. Basically, trade opened not here, but it opened right here, and it was slippage. And obviously, my break even, and I always place my break even in a loss, basically somewhere here. So this was minus 1k. So yeah, that's about it. Then if you take a look at, let's say, Bitcoin, I was looking at it if it closes right here, basically with a candle, and then pauses around the EMAs, and then potentially could take an entry. Right now it failed, so I don't really see anything right now. We're still in this range. So yeah, then looking at Ethereum, I could potentially take this shade. I will ignore this wick and call this as a fractal MB, or it actually is a, we can call this whole thing as an MB, and this is fractal MB inside there, or just we'll call this as an MB. So if this candle closes somewhere here and respects the EMAs and gives me entry, I will take it. But yeah, at the moment nothing really to do. Then Spain starts to flush, which is great to see. So all I need is this double MBs. BNB, the same thing. MB, so waiting for that second MB, basically pause and keep going. That's all I want to see. Then looking at US market, it's pushing, not surprising because of the news. So yeah, but that's great. We will have, I think, very good summer ahead of us, and I will 100% start to follow Nasdaq if it makes this MB, and it will make it. So yeah, just yeah. So with that being said, that's about it for now. There's literally none of the market sets up. Euro stocks pushing, didn't had anything. So yeah, great. Unfortunate that we got stopped out at break even right here. Now market is fucking here. It would be 1 to 4. Yeah, but it is what it is. Then Italy also pushing. The same thing here. We got stopped out on break even, and now market is fucking on all-time highs. Japanese index pushing. We got stopped out right here, but yeah, it was Friday. But yeah, then gold. I was looking at gold yesterday as well, but obviously not yesterday, but I was talking about it yesterday, but obviously it failed. Nothing really to do here. Yeah, gold. This gold as well. Nothing. Coffee chopping. Copper chopping. So the only real asset I see is Ethereum. So we'll see what happens, and if we get an entry, then we get an entry. And yeah, so that's it for now. I'll be back when something new happens. So market, New York Stock Exchange will open in approximately 30 minutes, and yeah, so still looking for Ethereum. It's still respecting the EMAs. If it does something like this, then I will cancel the order. But at the moment, it still looks fine, like this. And yeah. Then BNB, fucking piece of shit. I wanted to take entries right here, but it didn't make the MB. So yeah, now it's pushing. Nothing to do there. Solana. Yeah, I will take it if it makes, let's say, this pauses and clearly respects EMAs and straight makes the MB without this chop. So yeah, if it does something like this, pauses and that's what I want to see. Yeah, Bitcoin is fucking ugly. Like nothing here really. I want to see clear flush and new entries later on, or push, pause, and inside here new entries. So yeah, on Bitcoin, it really just look at it. It fucking looks ugly. Yeah, no need to trade in these kind of conditions. Spain doing nothing really. Just want to see those MBs, these MBs. So let's say we do this. This would be the first one. Pause. Take a 9 check higher. So yeah, overall looks very nice. US 30 is fucking going. Nasdaq, yeah, for tomorrow, potential entries for Nasdaq, because we are just in first, second, and B. We could see a pause over the night, etc., and then in the morning start to put a new leg. But again, we'll see. DAX is pulling back, which is fantastic. I want to see just this, and then again this run. Like, come on, man, pull back. But yeah, it looks fantastic. UK 100, if it makes this MB on context, I will start to follow it. At the moment, nothing really. Yeah. So what else? I think really nothing. The only basically asset is Ethereum. Yeah. Yeah, that's unfortunate that they didn't get this one. This actually TRX USDT looks fucking nice. I don't know what is the spread for it. I will check it right now, but this looks fucking phenomenal. Like, goddamn. I don't know what is the spread. I'll check that. TRX. It's Tron. Is it the right one? Tron. Yeah, the spread is fucking huge for me. What kind of cryptos do I have more? Let's check these bad boys out. Avalanche. What is the spread for it? ADA, Doge, DOT. Let's see, the DOT has crazy spread. Dogecoin. Actually, Dogecoin has pretty nice spread. It's tradable. Yeah, I know you don't see the spread because it's on my MetaTrader, but whatever. Cardano has a fucking big spread. Cancel. Okay, then I'll probably actually add Dogecoin maybe to that watch list. Because I think all of these fucking cryptos will push. Now, Doge coin, how it's Doge USD. This one. Okay. Yeah, it literally moves the same as any other fucking crypto. They fucking move the same. But yeah, how many MBs do we have? This is the first one. Validation. Second, oh, we are in the third one, so that's actually fucking beautiful. We'll be looking at it. Yeah, but we are already in a motion. First MB. This could be second, or this could be second MB. Both are valid. However you count them. But yeah, MB1, MB2, and now in a motion. So nothing really to do. I need a flush and new entries. But let's just add this one. Let's add Dogecoin to the watch list. Let's get back to eat. Yes, so that's basically that's it for now. Solana pushing. Yeah, fucking missed the Senshi. That's so fucking fuck. Anyways, it's okay. That's trading. But yeah, we are in a crazy motion right now on BNB. So just waiting for this one. Probably, hopefully this follows and keeps pushing. Let's see, 6 hour quickly. Yeah, beautiful. Making that. Actually, this one is the fourth one. Yeah, it's the fourth MB. But looking fucking fantastic. Yeah, so I'll be back once something new happens in the market. So, it's right now 8 p.m. And yeah, nothing really has happened today. Basically, looking at Bitcoin and cryptos, we got a drop, liquidation, flush, whatever you want to call it. So that's fucking beautiful. And now what I'm expecting is two MBs to the upside, respecting the EMAs and taking the entry. And uh, and yeah, overall looking at the validation time frame as well, still holding that MB, looking to target the highs. So looking overall very nice. BNB pulled back, but to be honest with you, I will probably delete BNB Dogecoin because first of all, BNB I can't risk 5% on it, and on Dogecoin as well, I can't risk 5% on it, so there's no point risking $800 per trade. And yeah, so I'll be just deleting them from the watch list. And yeah, so then let's go to the Ethereum. As you remember, I wanted to take this entry higher, it failed, so nothing to do. Now flushing down, probably will flush deeper, and then tomorrow or maybe Wednesday start to set up new entries. So basically, yeah, there's nothing really. Solana looks fucking ugly. Yeah, we are moving up, but we are doing it very ugly. So probably I want to see this and then new entries. Yeah. But then Spain, yeah, looking nice. I made the first MB. So I want to see a pause and I will take an entry, but again, I can't take Spain on this account. I will take it on my prop firms, so it doesn't really matter. But then U.S. market doing nothing, pushing, so everything good. Tomorrow we have CPI news. If you don't know what the CPI is, uh, inflation data for the past month. So we'll see if inflation is going up because of the tariffs or down. Because yeah, tariffs were implemented a month ago, even month and a half ago. But CPI tracks the data from the last month, so we still will see just how tariffs impacted the inflation. Probably if it didn't impact much and the inflation actually goes down, then we will see huge spike up probably. If not, then we will probably see some kind of spike down. But with that spike down, we will see just a flush and new setups later on, probably Wednesday. So yeah, it really doesn't matter for me, but I don't think that if we get bad inflation data, that we will now start some kind of a bearish trend. That's not gonna happen, in my opinion. And yeah, then looking at DAX, still nothing. Still, this isn't a flush. I still want something deeper on validation. And yeah, unfortunately, nothing here at the moment because right, literally, we are in 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 MBs. That's just too much for me. So yeah, UK 100 didn't do anything. Euro stocks as well, nothing. Italy, nothing. Japanese index, nothing. It's pushing higher, but yeah. US oil doing literally nothing, and then gold pushing down. So we are probably going into a deeper. I will delete this. We are probably going in a deeper flush because to be honest with you, we had crazy runs. We made crazy money from gold, so I will not be surprised if we do something like this for the next few months, and then maybe later on start to set up. But again, it doesn't matter what I'm right now drawing out. If market starts to set up new entries, I will take them anyways. So it all depends on what it does. But at the moment, there is nothing to do. And yeah, we have skipped already gold market since these points. Here was my last entry, I think. Oh no, here. Here was my last entry in gold. In here it happened over the night, so I missed it. And yeah, this was the last place where I took gold, and it has been 26 days, basically a month, since I took last gold trade. And look at the market right now. Look where I took my entries. All of my entries. Where the fuck was all of my entries? It's just so beautiful how you just follow trends, follow simple market approach, and just take entries when there's right momentum and market conditions. And yeah, then this was the last trade, and now we are skipping all this chop. That's just beautiful. But enough of gold. Then going to coffee, nothing really pushing down. So it's chopping. I don't know what it wants to do. When I don't know, then I'll not take trades. Still, we are respecting the bigger MB, 2-day MB, so I'm bullish of course on it, but I need 6 hour at least break up, pause, and inside there the same thing, and EMA switch. So yeah, but at the moment nothing really, and for the next few days there will be nothing. Then copper, nothing to do. So basically, yeah, that's about it. Nothing really happened today, and as you can see in the last few episodes, there isn't really anything happening in the market, for me at least. Few markets are extended, few markets didn't set up like I needed to. So there was a losses, there was a break evens, for example. Ethereum, no, not Ethereum, but Euro stocks was a break even right here, and now it's here, and that's the reality of trading. Do you think I'm sitting here and fucking crying that oh my god I fucking missed all this because fucking I took a break even and market still waited, pushed to my direction? No, I fucking don't cry about that. I just switch, take another market and look at it, and if it presents opportunities, I take them. Or this one, which was a break even. But yeah. So with that being said, actually let's delete these two. So yeah, for tomorrow, still there's time for today. So potentially Spain, or potentially which one? Bitcoin? No. Actually, yeah, probably the only one is Spain that could set up. I just need 2 candles. Basically this candle, then the next day stays here, respects the EMAs, and I'll place an order. But yeah, nothing really. But for tomorrow, Nasdaq is very fucking good. I'll already place it there. And yeah, because we made the second MB on validation, so I'm fully bullish on it and just will be looking for buys. And I think we have very good summer ahead. Yeah, of course, it all depends on what the fuck Trump does, etc. But I think it will all be sorted out pretty soon. And yeah, like I said, even though if inflation data is bad, then we will see a pullback, which is, to be honest with you, which is as expected on the technical side. I wouldn't be surprised that we have pullback on 6 hour time frame, and then set up later on new entries to go and liquidate all-time highs. And that I wouldn't be surprised of that, because we have moved pretty good. We have, what's the push? So let's say from these lows, 20% without any real pullback. So yeah, again, it doesn't mean anything what the fuck I'm saying here right now. Like, we are speculating. It doesn't mean anything, you know. It's fugazi. If market sets up, all I need is flush, set up new entries. Why? Because at the moment on the entry time frame it's extended for me. We have already made first MB or first MB after the flush, and here is the second one. So obviously I will not take this entry. It's just too extended for me. And the market is up 4% today on fucking US stock market. It's a lot. It's like a few $1 trillion. So yeah. That's basically it. Yeah. So I'll be back later on after market close, and we'll see if anything happened. What's up? So yeah, I'll end the episode right now. Nothing really has happened, and Bitcoin also is pushing down. So again, that's good. Just because we will have good fucking opportunities later on. It doesn't matter where it starts to accumulate. Will it be tomorrow? Will it be next week? I don't give a fuck. I'm not here to pinpoint exact entry, exact high, low, or predict the market. I'm just following market prices, and if it shows me good context, then I'm taking trades. For example, in here, did I take any trades? No, I did not. Look at the market. I like to trade in good conditions. And yeah, this for me screams that we will have good fucking opportunities later on. Like I said, I don't give a fuck when it will be, but it will be tomorrow, Wednesday, whatever. But yeah, so Solana still valid, but of course it will not set up today. The same thing as Bitcoin, the same thing here as Bitcoin. So yeah, just flushing down, and yeah, and even though I was completely incorrect, you can see from today I was completely incorrect about market, completely incorrect. I wanted to take a buy right here. Did I lose money on it? No. Did I lose money on this trade on Solana? Even though I was completely incorrect about market direction, it fucking melted down. Did I lose money? No, I did not. Actually, I did, because I got slipped on that entry, but still, overall, it was a break-even. It was a small loss. Break-evens always are a small loss. So that's it for now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.